Hi, this is Trang. Welcome back to my closet. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a custom insert for your bags. This is one that I've made for my vintage Chanel Kelly, and I made it based upon my needs. I needed a water bottle holder, just 2 slots for lipstick, small items, and I like bags with a gaping giant hole just for random accessories. I'll show you guys how to make this. If you like content like this, where I teach you how to do DIY project for accessories for your bag, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Custom bag insert can be a bit costly, ranging anywhere from $50 up to $300. So in this video, we are going to take a $13 bag insert and customize it to the shape of our desired bag. Let me show you how that's done. First, you need a handbag. This is the handbag of choice. It's the new Chanel. My mom does not want it, so I get to have it. Yay, yay. Alrighty, this is the insert for it. I just chose a cheap felt insert. This one is about $13. It is half an inch smaller in length and in width than this bag. Now that the insert is inside the bag, you can see it's kind of ill-fitting. It is almost the same height as the bag. It's pushing the outer flap out. It's not allowing it to bend in, so you won't be able to close the bag. So what we're going to do is customize the height. The most important thing for an insert that you've got to find is this, the diameter or the width. And then the length. The height is always adjustable. If it's felt, you just cut it off. I'll show you how. When you find an insert, try to find an insert without pockets or zipper or anything on the outside, because you don't want the pocket to make indentions inside of your leather lined bag. You also do not want a zipper because it will scratch your leather. This has a logo of the company. I'm going to remove the logo. I'm also going to remove 2 of this inside pocket because I don't need that many dividers. So I'll probably keep this 2 and remove the front 2. I'm also going to use my scissor to cut the insert because it is too tall. And we're going to rip the seam out with the seam ripper. So there you have it. You no longer have a logo or anything rough on the surface that would scratch your bag. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut. I've went around the bag and just cut off about 1 inch or so for the height of my bag. We could stop here, however, I don't like this. I feel like it's hard for me to get in and out with this bit, so I'm going to do the seam ripper. I'm going to rip all of this top edge out, the 2 stitching here and here. I'll just go around and rip it all out. Hey y'all, it's Trang. I noticed that y'all watch 1/3 of this free video without liking or subscribing. So please support the free content and encourage me to make more videos for you guys by liking and subscribing. Thank you. If you guys didn't understand why I have to take this part out, look at how much easier it is to slide your hand into this pocket versus this one where your finger's gonna get caught on this. So cheap inserts are not well thought out, but you can always modify it to your liking, also to the content of your purse. Even if you bought in a more expensive one, the material might be a little bit better, but in terms of being able to customize it, if you want a fully customized one, you're probably looking to spend at least $60 and above going as high as maybe $300. For $300, I can buy a leather lined bag, really nice quality from Coach. So I don't see the need to spend so much on an insert. I went ahead and turned the organizer inside out so that it was easier for me to remove this pocket here. What I'm going to use the extra felt to do is make a pocket for my water bottle, because you know I get thirsty. This is the organizer now that I've added the water bottle holder inside out. What I'm gonna have to do, since this is felt, I don't want it to fray in the future, I have to actually cinch the edges with a lighter. Go ahead and do these pockets as well. Alright, so that's it. We are done. I'm going to go ahead and turn it inside out. We are now done with our bag organizer. We have made a custom water holder, and I left 2 pockets for my things. And this is how I like my organizers to look. Let's see if it fits perfectly into the bag. Doo-doo. As you guys can see, it is a perfect fit. Let's start putting our things inside. I always need my water bottle. Our blotting tissue. My Chanel lip balm because my lips are constantly dry. Then my actual lipstick. My key and wallet in one. My snack because I'm always hungry. And lastly, my sunglasses. My sunglasses are Prada. This case is by Dior. But look how compact this case is. I love it. And then when you need to use it, you just flip this over. It's magnetic. And then it fits perfect for your sunglasses without wasting too much space. See? How nice is that? It fits perfectly up top. We can close our bag and go. Voila! I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe if you found this information helpful. Come back for more. I do a lot of DIYs for bags, and I also show you guys tips on how to take care and maintain your handbags.